I have mentioned last video that we have our GL ledger. So having this GL ledger in here, so you just need to provide the year 2021, for example, since we have year 2021 in our data, right? So then you can provide also your logo, your company name. You can change that. Then after that, what you just need to do is this: you just need to copy the data like this. For example, the data that you need is the transaction date, the GB number, the account code, the accounting title, the debit credit. Okay, so the data that you need, except for the transaction number and the for GL, you don't need to copy this one. So you just need to highlight. To highlight, just need to point the arrow like this, not like this. It should be, this transaction date should be excluded like that, then drag until here on a GL ledger, then copy, like Control C. I made a Control C, then to paste. I will just do the same without this yet. So paste, paste the transaction, the GB, the account code, the accounting title. I just pasted. Then the debit credit, the count, the amount of debit and credit. So same row goes that way, just like that. Then paste. So there's it. You have already a running balance. So the running balance, even you sort this like just like this. If you want to make the account receivable as the account receivable is the top, so you need to unprotect. So by unprotecting, for now, the password is 000. So I have to unprotect that. Then you can now filter just like that. Then you have to protect first before it will proceed you the data to 0. Okay, so it's not protected, but you have your running balance. You can filter. Actually, when you filter, it shows you a running balance. You debit of 500 balance, then 100, then a minus of 50. Your ending balance is 40. Okay, so that's it. You don't need to make a running balance because it's automatically provided once you have made a protection. Okay, you have made this variable. Okay, even if you have copied it, it's like that. Okay, nothing to worry. You have already your report. Okay, actually this data I just copied here. Right, it's a sample purposes and the transaction that you appropriate, but for presentation is actually to provide you the usage of this file. Okay, this is general ledger. You just copied in that for printing reports. So you can actually filter first, okay, then report summary. You have this already, a report summary for account receivables. Actually the same, right? You have provided you the data from here. So if you delete this again, for example, let's delete this again, the data. Okay, yeah, deleted the data. You're actually in a report summary, right? So if I provide you the data by copying this, like again, we'll copy again without SL, right? Without then copying again. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So having not sorted yet based on the accounting title, you can protect first. Okay, 1 2 3 0. Okay, then sort. Then after that, protect 1 2 3 1 2 3. And that's it. You have already your account receivable. You notice, right? You have your accounts payable. You'll notice, right? So you have the data already finished. That's it. For just seconds or minutes, you have already your data. Right? So you have your summary with your report. Okay? So when using our SL, I will be presenting in next video back almost the same. You just copy and paste. Instead of copying this, you'll be copying this, right? By filtering first, okay? In order to not to copy the without SL, right? Presumption, because copying those SL or not an subsidiary ledger account, okay, will try to you incorrect data. Okay, so the subsidiary ledger accounts, yes, with ledger Okay, so I'll show you in the next video. Thank you very much.